Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Mine's Jen. Today, we are diving deep into something incredibly powerful, something that shapes every single aspect of our lives, often without us even realizing it, the unimaginable power of decision. Think about it. Where you are right now, what you're doing, who you're with, it all stems from a series of choices you've made. Big ones, small ones, some conscious, some almost automatic. And that's what we are here to unpack today. How our decisions, no matter how insignificant they might seem, truly hold the keys to our destiny. Let's start with a really compelling idea. Sometimes, all it takes is one single decision to unlock massive success. Imagine that moment, that crossroads, where you choose to take a leap of faith, start that business, move to a new city, or finally pursue that long-forgotten passion. It's a single point in time, a solitary yes or no that can completely alter your trajectory. Think of someone like J.K. Rowling. Her decision to finally sit down and write the Harry Potter series, despite facing numerous rejections and personal struggles, was a singular, pivotal choice. That one decision didn't just change her life, it created a global phenomenon. Or consider the decision to launch a new product, even when fear and doubt are creeping in. That one bold move can differentiate you, capture market share, and lead to incredible growth. It's about recognizing those critical junctures. It's about having the courage to say, "This is it. This is the moment I choose a different path." It's a powerful realization that sometimes, one brave decision is all you need to ignite a chain reaction of positive outcomes. But it's not always about grand, life-altering choices. In fact, for many forms of success, it's not about one huge, seismic decision at all. Instead, it's about the accumulation of countless smaller choices made consistently over time. Think of building a successful career, getting in shape, or mastering a new skill. These aren't typically achieved through a single heroic act. They're the result of a daily grind of deliberate, often tiny, decisions. Let's use a relatable example: fitness. You don't get fit by deciding once to go to the gym. You get fit by deciding to wake up early each morning, deciding to pack a healthy lunch, deciding to skip the extra dessert, deciding to push through that last rep, deciding to stay hydrated. Each one of these is a small decision, easily dismissed on its own. But stack them up day after day, week after week, and suddenly, you see incredible transformation. The same applies to any long-term goal. Want to save money? It's the decision to say no to impulse buys, to budget meticulously, to research better deals. Want to learn a new language? It's the decision to dedicate 15 minutes each day to practice, to listen to podcasts in that language, to embrace mistakes. These micro-decisions might feel insignificant in the moment, but their cumulative effect is nothing short of monumental. They build momentum, create habits, and ultimately lead to the success you're striving for. It's the power of consistency, fueled by continuous, deliberate choice. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The decisions we make aren't just random acts. They are deeply influenced by two major forces: our background and our mindset. Think about it. Our upbringing, our cultural experiences, the lessons we learned or didn't learn from our families, the people we grew up around, all of these form the bedrock of our personal operating system. If you grew up in an environment where taking risks was discouraged, you might naturally lean towards safer, more conventional choices, even if a bolder path might offer greater reward. If you were taught to be resourceful and independent, you might be more inclined to trust your gut and forge your own way. Our background sets the stage, creating default patterns of thinking and reacting. But perhaps even more profoundly, our mindset plays a crucial role. This isn't just about what you think, but how you think. Do you have a growth mindset, believing your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work? Or a fixed mindset, believing your talents are simply innate and unchangeable? Someone with a growth mindset is far more likely to see challenges as opportunities, to learn from mistakes, and to make decisions that push them out of their comfort zone. They're more willing to try, fail, and try again. On the other hand, a fixed mindset might lead to decisions based on avoiding failure or sticking to what's familiar, even if it's not fulfilling. Our mindset is the filter through which we perceive options and weigh outcomes. It dictates our internal dialogue, whether we hear encouragement or self-doubt when a new choice presents itself. Consider someone who has faced setbacks. Their background might be similar to others, but if they cultivate a resilient mindset, they'll make decisions to pivot, to learn, to keep going. Someone else, without that mindset, might choose to give up. This isn't about blaming circumstances. It's about understanding that while our past shapes us, Our present mindset empowers us to make different choices moving forward. And that's a truly liberating thought, isn't it? So, how can we harness this power more effectively? It starts with awareness. Becoming conscious of the decisions we are making, both big and small. Are you making choices out of habit or out of intention? Are you defaulting to what's easy or leaning into what's impactful? One practical tip is to practice mindful decision-making. Before making a choice, pause. Ask yourself, what are my options here? What are the potential outcomes of each? And importantly, which option aligns best with my long-term goals and values? This simple pause can shift you from reactive to proactive. Another strategy is to challenge your assumptions. Often, our decisions are limited by what we think is possible, which is a direct reflection of our mindset and background. If you believe you can't learn a new skill, you won't make decisions that lead to learning it. But what if you challenged that belief? What if you adopted a "what if I could" mentality? This opens up new possibilities and empowers you to make bolder, more expansive choices. And remember, every decision is a learning opportunity. Even if a choice doesn't lead to the exact outcome you expected, it provides valuable insights. Don't fear making wrong decisions. Fear making no decisions at all. Inaction is often the biggest decision you can make, and it rarely leads to growth. Embrace the feedback loop, adjust your course, and keep moving forward. Let's take a moment to reflect on some famous examples. Think about Rosa Parks' decision to refuse to give up her seat. A single, powerful decision rooted in her personal values and a deep understanding of injustice. That one choice sparked a movement. Or the founders of groundbreaking companies like Apple or Amazon, their initial decisions to pursue their vision, despite immense challenges and skepticism, were fueled by a powerful belief in what was possible, a testament to their mindset. These aren't just stories of brilliance. They are stories of intentional, courageous decision-making. They show us that while talent and opportunity play a role, the consistent, conscious choice to act, to persist, and to innovate is what truly separates those who achieve extraordinary things. Ultimately, the power of decision is not about luck. It's about agency. It's about recognizing that you are the architect of your own life, stone by stone, choice by choice. Every day, you have an endless array of decisions before you. Some are trivial, like what to have for breakfast. Others are profound, like how you choose to spend your time, who you choose to connect with, and what you choose to believe about yourself. So, I encourage you to embrace this power. Be intentional with your choices. Challenge your own limiting beliefs. Understand that your background might have shaped your initial default settings, but your mindset is a muscle you can train and strengthen. You have the ability to choose differently, to think differently, and therefore, to live differently. What's one decision you can make today, no matter how small, that will move you closer to your goals or simply bring more joy into your life? Think about it. Then, commit to it. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exploration of the power of decision. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content that helps you live your most empowered life. Your support means the world. Until next time, keep making those powerful choices.